しゅうしょく. We use this when talking about finishing school and entering a company and in job hunting situations. 就職。学校を出て会社に入る話や仕事探しの場面でよく使います。It is a verbal noun, pseudoverb, and also used as a plain noun. 就職 literally talks about entering employment, being placed in a job, and starting work at a company. 人が仕事を終えて会社などに入り働き始めることを表します。The first kanji means to take up or assume a position. It appears in shunin, which is when someone takes office. It also shows up in shushin, meaning going to bed, the idea of settling into a state. So it often marks starting or settling into something. Next, the second kanji means job or post. You hear it in shokuba, the place where you work. It also appears in taishoku, which is leaving a job. So it points to roles and the workplace. My brother will start working at a company in Tokyo next month. 兄は来月、東京の会社に就職します。兄は来月、東京の会社に就職します。I got a job right after graduating from university. 大学を卒業してすぐ就職した。大学を卒業してすぐ就職した。She wants to get a job at an IT company. 彼女は IT 企業に就職したいです。彼女は IT 企業に就職したいです。I'm having trouble finding a job. 就職がなかなか決まりません。就職がなかなか決まりません。The most common synonyms of the word are入社 and shugyo. 入社 focuses on entering a specific company, while shugyo is the state of working. 就職 is about obtaining a job and beginning that state. The most common antonyms of the word are taishoku and shitsugyo. Taishoku is leaving a job, and shitsugyo is not having a job, while shushoku is starting or obtaining one.